Hi, I'm Sarika Benjamin and welcome back to my channel Benji's Home Cooking, and today we will be making mayonnaise. If you've enjoyed this video, like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you are notified every time we upload our easy, doable and tasty recipes. To make the mayonnaise we need very basic ingredients. I have taken cold milk half a cup, exactly double the quantity of oil, that is 1 cup. This is vegetable oil unflavored. To this we will be adding a teaspoon of sugar, half a teaspoon of salt, and we need 1.5 teaspoon of vinegar. This is white vinegar. We can adjust the seasoning taste as per our requirement. So to start, we will in a mixie first add the milk. To this we will add the salt, half a teaspoon of salt. To this we add sugar, and we will add the vinegar and run it for about 15 to 30 seconds till all of these things get mixed. So after 30 seconds, this is how it looks. To this we are going to add our oil little by little. So first we will add about 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil to this mixture and run it in the mixie for about 15 to 30 seconds. The entire 1 cup oil will be used little by little. You can see after first running it in the mixie for the first time, it's still liquid. We will add it for the second time and we will run it again for 15 to 30 seconds. It has slowly started to thicken, but it's not reached the desired consistency. We add third time about 2 or 3 tablespoons of oil and run it in the mixie, and you can see now it has started thickening. At this stage, if you like it very thin as a dip, you can stop adding the oil. I still have about 1/4 cup of oil left from the 1 cup that we have taken. So the fourth time I'm going to add about 3 to 4 tablespoons and it's nice and creamy. And now I will be adding the final quantity. I have about a tablespoon or 2 left and run it in the mixie. You can taste the seasonings. You can see after about 5 mixes, this is how it looks, white and nice and creamy. You can keep tasting the seasonings as you like. If you like it a little sweeter or a little sour, adjust the use of vinegar, sugar, salt according to your taste. Now I prefer making mayonnaise at home because the store-bought mayonnaise is generally very sour, but you can see this is really creamy. It's very tasty and it's so versatile. You can make the changes in the sourness or sweetness as per your taste, and you can store it in the refrigerator for about a week or 10 days and use it as dips or sandwich spreads, the way you like it. You can add different kinds of seasonings like pepper or chili flakes and enjoy it. It's a very simple recipe. I hope you make it and let us know how you like it. Next week, you will get to learn how you can use this homemade mayo to make different types of sandwich spreads. So stay tuned. Do like, share and subscribe and leave your feedback in the comment section. If there is any recipe you would be interested to learn, do let us know in the comment section and we'll try our best to bring it to you.